So now we study harmful effects of alcohol. Okay, consumption of small quantities of dilute ethanol. Consumption means whatever is going inside the mouth is called as a consumption. Now consumption of small quantities of dilute ethanol. Taking the ethanol, drinking the ethanol. Dilute means what if we mix the water in the ethanol is the dilute ethanol. Ethanol is what? One kind of alcohol. Understand? So causes intoxication. Toxification means danger. Okay, harmful. Intoxication means not much danger. So taking the alcohol very little and taking alcohol mixing with water is not damage much, but taking every day and excessive so much without adding water is very dangerous to the health. First, it affects the liver. If it affects the liver in the body, automatically digestive system fail to work and we get so many kinds of sicknesses. Okay, so here alcohol also slows down the metabolic processes in our body. That one only, when we drink the more alcohol, it will be lessening the respiration and digestive systems working, breathing problems, all the problems we get. Okay, not we, those who drink, they get. And intake of every small quantities of methanol can cause death. But than ethanol, methanol is more dangerous. Okay, so when we take the methanol even little also, it can cause death. It can lead us to death. It reacts rapidly with components of liver cells and poisons the entire body. It will be reacting with the liver and damage the whole body. Okay, so ethanol is an important industrial solvent. Ethanol is important industrial solvent. Solvent means what? It will be ethanol is the capacity to ethanol they use to mix the paints, to dissolve the same paints. And dissolve means what? When we keep salt in the water, salt is dissolved in the water. So like that only, ethanol act as a solvent. Water is the solvent. It dissolves the salt, sugar. So like that, ethanol also dissolve the paint. That is why they use in the industries as a solvent to dissolve so many chemicals and paints and so many things. So it is manufactured in large. This manufactured means it is prepared so much for industrial purposes, for factory purposes. It is prepared so much. It prevents the misuse of ethanol. So it is prepared so much to stop to use the ethanol. It is made unfit for drinking by adding poisonous substance like methanol. Methanol is very dangerous to our health. And when we drink little also we die. So to stop the damage to our health, so some people, if they want to see, if they see the ethanol is like alcohol, like beer, na? If they want to drink. But to stop that one, they are adding the methanol into the ethanol so that they don't drink. And also they are adding dye, some color, blue color. Okay, blue color they are adding so that they know methanol is mixed in the ethanol and it is dangerous to the health. Okay, colored alcohol blue so that it can easily be identified that methanol has been added. This mixture is known as a methylated spirit. So what is methylated spirit means? When the methanol is added and then some blue color is added to show that methanol is added. It is called as a methylated spirit. Important definition, underline that one. And questions, what are molasses? Molasses means what? After separating the sugar from sugar cane means what? Gannana. So there will be some yellow color syrup like crystallization. That means like salt, like white color, not white color, like salt shape. It is present, yellow color, and like sugar shape, something it is present, waste. It is called as a molasses. And molasses, okay, what will happen when ethanol is heated in the presence of concentrated sulfuric acid? When the ethanol is heated in the presence of a concentrated sulfuric acid, that time some microorganisms die, and another one, what is the result means it removes the water molecules, and it forms a alkene. Okay, for example here you see na, it forms the alkene. Please wait. So here when we remove this H and OH na, so it removes the H2O and it will form the alkene. Okay, this is the one. So it will form like this, like alkene, and then plus H2O. Understand? So this is the one. And yeast is, third question is what? Second question, yeast is added to the molasses. So why the yeast is added to the molasses? To get the ethanol. Understand? So next one we saw about the acids. Acids means COOH, carboxylic acid. When it is added to the hydrogen to the alkyl group, it is called as a carboxylic acids. Methane, according to the IUPAC nomenclature, E is replaced by the oic acid, methanoic acid, 1 carbon. 2 carbons means ethanoic, 3 carbons propanoic, 4 carbons butanoic acid. Acid is the COOH. Okay. So this is the C, and always double bond is added to this one. So bond symbol is what? Single bond means it's sharing 1 electron. Double bond means 2 electrons it's sharing. This one 1 electron, this one 1 electron. Okay. So here we will see this one. So COOH number we give from this side. How to read this one? How many carbons? 4 carbons. So it is the butanoic acid. Okay, butanoic acid. A. B, how to read? CH3 means what? It is the methyl group. So methyl group, how to read? Give number. Always the functional group COOH or OH attached group, it should get a lower number. So 1, 2, 3. So how to read this one? Methyl group is CH3 is added to the second carbon. So 2 methyl. How many carbons are there in the straight chain? 3 carbons. So propanoic acid, through methyl propanoic acid. Okay. So when we see in the chain, here carbons are 4, but here only 3 are there. So but functional group is in the same position, but here, but it is called as a structural isomers, but same molecular form. That means here 4 carbons. Hydrogens 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 hydrogen. Oxygens 2. Here also you see 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons. Hydrogens 1, here 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oxygen 2. So same molecular formula, but structures are different. It is called as a structural isomer. Same molecular formula, but we are getting the different chains and structures are called as the isomers. Okay. So here they have given. What is the IUPAC name of the formic acid? Another IUPAC name of the formic acid is methanoic acid. HCOH means formic acid. Formic acid is present in where? In the ant. Okay, formic acid is present. So carbonic acid, some examples what? Citric acid, acetic acid. Citric acid present in the where it is present? It is present in the neem and oranges, lemon. Sorry, not neem, lemon, oranges. Lactic acid is present in the what is that? Milk, curd, all these things. Okay. Now here we see industrial preparation of ethanoic acid, quick vinegar method. And here some write the structural of all possible isomers. Please you write, make answer to this question writing like this: different isomers, seeing the number of carbon. 6 carbons means what? It is the hexane. Okay, so maybe it will become a hexanoic acid.